What's up, guys? Welcome back to RT2CC Comic Club. Justin here, and once again, filming on the 27th of December. This is a 2-day recap for August 27th, 28th. But again, before I start, holy crap again, guys, what happened in the market today? Seriously, what is going on? The volatility is just mad. Stocks started out horribly, not great, went down to down 500 or 600 points, and somehow finished up 260 points. I don't know what's going on. If you guys know what's going on, please comment in the comment section below, because I want to know, because this is just crazy. But anyways, let's just get back to the video. So, did some trades on the 27th and 28th. This is kind of when I started getting into the cannabis stocks, as I mentioned last video. So you'll be seeing some common names over the next month. But EA Sports I did sell and made a $58 profit, so it was not like a huge gain there. Bought some Kronos calls, and then I sold my Canopy growth call for a really good return, 250.5%. And I talked about that in the cannabis video that I made, which is also on the channel. But anyways, yeah, so the stocks did okay on the first day, did pretty well actually. The Dow went up about 260 points. So let's look at our winners. Our biggest gainer was Nvidia and Canopy growth. And then Netflix and Alibaba, which I need to fix that strike again. And then we have some more winners, 2 pages of winners this time. You got Facebook on top, and then our lowest winner there was our Hemp Americana stock that we have 50,000 shares of at the time. And then our losers, we only had 4, literally 4, which is crazy. So you can see we made over $11,000 that day. Really phenomenal day. Yeah, anyways, next day we have... the Dow went up, 58 points and then ended up at 14. So not a huge day, but it's always good when they both finish green, NASDAQ and the Dow. I'm always happy when that happens. And let's go to our winners. We made about $1,000 that day, so I'm happy with that. Our Universal Display calls actually went up pretty well, so that was awesome. And then Align Technologies and then Apple were our second and third top performers. Let's go to our losers. There were quite a bit of them today. We had Nvidia, Canopy Growth, Best Buy, and Google were our bottom 4. So yeah, if you want to pause the video and look at the other ones, you can. Feel free. And let's just go straight into the article. So at this point, again, lots of hype on cannabis. So this first article, it's on like Donkey Kong. I thought this was a catchy title. Aurora Cannabis and Canopy Growth battle over Softgel capsules. So what this article basically was saying is there's talking about, first of all, Softgel capsules. One of the reasons they really want to gain a lot of market share is because they're really high margin products, meaning that, they can sell them for a really high price. They don't cost a lot to make. So there's a lot of good profit in there for them. And so they're both battling it out. But the article, says that they both can win because the market's big enough for both of them. And I agree. But if you want to read more about that, again, it's old news. You probably already know this, but I'll link in the description as I always do. The next article, this is like Bitcoin levels. Pot stocks continue to rip higher. The reason I like this title is because literally me and my friend were saying the exact same thing when Tilray was shooting up to $300 a share. We were seriously saying to each other, dude, this is like freaking Bitcoin. This is like cryptocurrency stuff. And it really was. When stocks go up that fast, it's a symbol, it's a sign that you need to look to jump ship and, run for the hills. And I did do that. I executed that quite well. However, I wasn't thinking and I forgot to get puts. So that was a very, very valuable lesson that I learned this year was when a stock goes like this, and it can't go like that forever. When you jump off, take your profits, it might be worth risking some money to put a little put in there. So when it comes down, you can make some more money. But I'm still new to trading options. This is only my second year doing it. So in hindsight, now that I saw that opportunity, in fact, I did see that opportunity the day of, but I had already put my money into Apple stock to kind of keep it safe. We all see how freaking good idea that was. And I didn't leave myself any money to put the puts, into action. And yeah, it sucks. I'm still bitter about it, but whatever. So we'll just keep going. Anyways, last article, Whole Foods starts to see benefit of Amazon effect. I really like this headline because Amazon's a huge company. I invest in Amazon. I like Amazon. When they bought Whole Foods, a lot of people thought it was a dumb idea. some people thought it was a great idea because Whole Foods already had that, that infrastructure. They already were established. They were struggling at the time, so it was kind of a good opportunity for Amazon to jump into the grocery market. And this video, it's actually a video, so I'll link it to it in the description, talks about how well they're doing now. And mainly he mentions how they're picking up foot traffic compared to their competitors. And one of the big competitors that they're stealing foot traffic from is Trader Joe's. And Trader Joe's is like a smaller grocery chain. It's more like localized. A lot of people like going there to get more local stuff or more organic stuff. But Whole Foods, was also trying to push towards the same clientele, except Whole Foods kind of had the reputation of being real expensive, which is, what Amazon's trying to work on. But this video says that they're actually doing quite well on that front so far. They're off to a good start. More people are, going to Whole Foods now. And I thought that was pretty interesting. So I will put a link in the description so you can watch that video. It's only like 4 minutes long. But yeah, I haven't really utilized Whole Foods yet because it's probably the furthest grocery store away from where I live. So it's kind of a hassle to go to Whole Foods, but I do want to experiment with the delivery in the future. That's ultimately what I would love to do. So as soon as I do that, I will definitely make a video about it to talk about it. But anyways, yeah, hopefully that was a short video. If you guys liked it, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Question of the day, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, what do you think is going on with the stock market right now? I really do want to know your thoughts. And again, do you think the stocks are going to go down further? Or do you think it's going to go up between now and like the end of January, like we did last year? I really want to know what you guys think because I'm still trying to make up my mind. I still kind of think it's going to go down, but I'm not sure. So I want to know your opinion. So thanks again so much for watching. Hope you have a great night, and we'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, thanks again for checking out this video. If you want another way to support the channel, please check out that Patreon link up there at the top. You get access to my private Discord server where we chat about different companies we're looking at investing in. I also post my current trades in real time as well as news headlines with little mini summaries. And you can also get discounts on any merchandise that we sell, like a shirt like this, for example. And if you want to just subscribe to the channel, I would appreciate that as well. You can just click that black logo there at the bottom. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.